Hello friends, welcome to eKida, another numerical on short transmission line. So the question is, an overhead three-phase transmission line deliver 5000 kilowatt at 22 kV at 0.8 power factor lagging. The resistance and reactance of each conductor is 4 ohm and 6 ohm respectively. We have to first find out sending end voltage, second percentage regulation, third transmission efficiency. See, this is the phasor diagram. We know that Vs is equals to Vr plus Ir plus Ixl. For the short transmission line, see Vr is reference, so this is the lagging. So I, and the angle between VR and I is phi r. So this IR in phase with I, this I into R, and this IXL 90 degree from the IR, this is IXL, and the sum of VR, IR and IXL, this is VS, and this is IZ. So taking VR as reference, vector VR, this is equals to VR plus J0 vector I, this is equals to I into cos phi r minus J sin phi r, and see this r plus jxl, this is z, so this is I z, and z is equals to vector z is equals to r plus jxl. See, I have already told you in our last numerical that it is convenient and profitable to make the line calculation in complex notation. So this VR is equals to, vector VR is equals to VR plus J0. See, it is a three-phase transmission line, an overhead three-phase transmission line. So we know that phase voltage, this is equals to line voltage by root 3. So line voltage is given, this is equals to 22 kV because deliver voltage 22 kV, so receiving end voltage is 22 into 10 to the power 3 volt upon root 3. So this is the receiving end voltage per phase. This is equals to 22 into 10 to the power 3 upon under root 3. So this is equals to 12700 volt. So vector VR, this is equals to 12700 volt. Now we have to find out the vector I. For that we need to find out the line current. Line current for three phase. We know for three phase power what is equals to 3 VR IR cos phi r. And for short transmission line, IS is equals to IR. This is equals to I. So I is equals to watt upon 3 VR cos phi r. Now this watt is given, it is 5000 kilowatt, means 5000 into 10 to the power 3 watt upon 3 into VR is equals to 12700 into cos phi r is given 0.8 power factor lagging. So cos phi r is equals to 0.8. So I is equals to 164 ampere. Now find vector I. Vector I is equals to I cos phi r minus j sin phi r. So I is equals to 164, cos phi r is 0.8 and sin phi r is 0.6. So this is equals to 131.2 minus j 98.4. Now we need to find out z. Vector z is equals to r plus jxl, where r and xl is given. The resistance and reactance of each conductor is 4 ohm and 6 ohm. So 4 plus j6. Now put the value of VR, I and Z in the equation. So vector Vs is equals to VR vector plus vector I and vector Z. So VR is equals to 12700 plus I 131.2 minus J 98.4 into Z 4 plus J 6. So this is equals to 12700 plus 131.2 into 4. So this is equals to 524.8. Then plus 131.2 into 6. This is equals to J 787.2. Then minus 4 into 98.4. So J 393.6 plus j into j square is minus 1 and minus minus plus. So this is plus 98.4 into 6, 590.4. So this is equals to 138.15.2 plus j 393.6. So this is the vector Vs. Now we have to find out the magnitude of Vs. So magnitude of Vs, this is equals to under root 13815.2 whole square plus 393.6 whole square. So this is equals to 13820.8 volt. Now second, we have to find out the, after sending in voltage, we need to find out the percentage regulation and transmission efficiency. See, we know percentage regulation is equals to Vs minus Vr upon Vr. Percentage regulation, this is equals to Vs minus Vr upon Vr into 100. So Vs is equals to 13820.8 minus Vr is equals to 12700 upon 12700 into 100. See, this is a direct formula for the percentage regulation. We just need to put the value of Vs and Vr. So this is equals to 8.825 percentage. Now third, we have to find out the transmission efficiency, and we know efficiency is equals to output upon input into 100, where output for the transmission line is the receiving end power and input is the sending end power. Receiving end power, power delivered upon sending end power into 100. So receiving end power, this is equals to 5000 kilowatt. So this is equals to 5000 into 10 to the power 3 watt upon sending end power. This is equals to I square R losses plus receiving end power. So I square R losses, I is equals to 164 and R is equals to 4. So 164 whole square into 4 plus 5000 into 10 to the power 3. So this is equals to 93.94%. See, there is only a one change in question numerical number 1 and numerical number 2. Numerical 1 is for the single phase and numerical 2 is for the three phase transmission line. So for three phase, we just need to multiply it by 3 for calculating the power. What is equals to 3 VR I cos phi R. For three phase voltage is equals to line voltage by root 3. So similarly, we get the sending end voltage on putting the value of VR, I and Z. So we get Vs is equals to 13820.8. And if you need to find out the line value of Vs, this is equals to root 3 into 13820.8. So this is equals to 23938 volt. 23938, and in kilowatt by 1000, so 23.938 kilowatt. Second, we have to find out the percentage regulation. We know the direct formula for the percentage regulation. Percentage regulation is equals to Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100. So we just need to put the value of Vs and Vr. Vr is given 5000 and Vs just calculate in part number 1. So Vs is equals to 13820.8. So percentage regulation is 8.825%. And in the end, we have to find out the transmission efficiency. We know transmission efficiency is equals to power delivered upon, means receiving end power upon sending end power into 100. And receiving end power is given, it is 5000 kilowatt, means 5000 10 to the power 3 watt, and sending end power is equals to receiving end power plus line losses. So line losses is equals to, for, sorry, I did a mistake. This is 3I square R, because line losses for three phase line, so it is 3I square R. So 3 into 164 square into 4, so this is equals to 93.94%. Thank you.